Yorkshire puddings, the absolute staple of any traditional British roast dinner, but they can be kind of tricky to make, right? Sometimes they won't rise, sometimes they rise too much, sometimes they sink when you take them out of the oven, they can be too bland. If any of these problems sound familiar, then this is the video for you, because today I'm going to share with you my foolproof method for epic Yorkshire rise every single time. So let's get to it. First of all, let's talk cooking vessels. You can use a Yorkshire pudding tin like this one. This is the government issued tin here in the UK. You can get it from pretty much any store, probably elsewhere in the world as well. You can use a muffin tin, or you can use a ramekin. And this is what I recommend. This ceramic ramekin will get screaming hot in the oven. It will stay screaming hot when the batter hits it, and it guarantees a perfect rise every time. Top tip, use these. So let's preheat the oven to 230C convection, and let's get some high smoke point oil. I'm using sunflower here into our ramekins. Those look great, into the oven. And now for our batter, we're doing a 1-1-1, so that's 2 large eggs, the same quantity by volume of milk, and similar for flour. Let's season this with some salt. You won't get a chance to season these later. And yeah, those look about right. Eggs and flour go into a medium mixing bowl, and we're going to mix these until they're really smooth. It's much easier to get lumps out of this now, rather than when we've added the milk later. So just mix, stir, stir, stir. And that looks pretty good. In goes the milk, little at a time. We're looking for a single cream consistency. Yeah. It's good. So my ramekins have been preheating for a good 10 to 15 minutes now. Just listen to that sizzle when the batter hits the oil. That's exactly what we're looking for here. So working quickly, I'll add just enough batter to each to fully cover the bottom. Too much and your puddings will end up doughy. Into the oven these go. Don't open that door again until they're done. After just a couple of minutes in the oven, we can already see the rise is going to be great on these. So here we are 10 minutes in, and these are looking great. It's time to turn the oven down to 180 now, or these things will burn. So that's 180C, still convection. Oops, I went a little bit too far there. And that's it. We're just going to let these things cook for another 25 minutes at this 180, and they'll come out absolutely perfect. It's vital that you don't open the door at any point during the rest of the cooking. 25 minutes later, and these are looking crisp, golden, fully risen and delicious. Let's get them out of the oven. These look great. I'm super happy with them. Make sure you drain any oil that's left in the bottom, otherwise that will make them soggy. But yeah, these are crispy. They've risen really well. I'm really happy with them. They're ready to serve right away if the rest of your meal's ready, or they can sit on the rack for a while until everything else is ready. Just give them another 5 minutes in the oven to rewarm if they've cooled too much by the time you're ready for them. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more. Let's try the Yorkshires.